So the E55 started acting up the other day. I was just out for a drive when the damn check engine light came on. Out of nowhere, the car started idling rough, power fell off and the scanner showed a misfire on the right bank. Not the kind of surprise you want in the middle of nowhere. First thought, maybe an O2 sensor decided to take an early retirement. Checked the live data, everything's looked kinda normal, which somehow made it more suspicious. So I pulled out this guy and checked that out. One of these things just doesn't belong. Fished out the other end from the coil. So in the end I had 3 broken spark plugs. I don't even know how the car was still running. It's funny, sometimes we overthink stuff, chase sensors and scan data when it's really just the basics. Old school problems still hit modern cars. So I ended up changing all the plugs and got some cold plugs from FCP, and the left bank seemed perfectly fine, so it was just the right bank. Anyway, that was my little misfire mission on the E55. Hopefully it stays happy for a while. It's probably not going to be the case. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.